Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. To lock your Facebook profile, firstly open your Facebook application. Now tap on three-lined icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on setting and privacy. After that tap on settings. Now scroll down until you see audience and visibility. Tap on profile locking. Now tap on lock your profile at the bottom of your screen. Tap on OK. This is how you will be able to log your profile on Facebook. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming videos from us. Thank you and see you in next video.